Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the ZD3 Plus smartwatch, and it is powered by the ZD3 Support App. So it is using the ZD3 Support App. Okay, so it is a premium looking smartwatch with a 1.5-inch screen display, and it has features for health, okay, sports, okay, and of course other settings here. So we are going to check on that. Okay, we are going to check on the different menus and features offered here in the ZD3 Plus smartwatch. So it is a sports smartwatch with a premium look. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video review, especially the smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's check on the different menus of the wearable, the ZD3 Plus smartwatch. Okay, but before that, let's take a look at the design here. Okay, so beautiful looking smartwatch here, premium looking, with a full circular screen display and very slim black border here, as you can see. Okay, so let's check on the menus of the ZD3 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so on top we have the quick menus here. I guess this is for the Alipay information for this one, the ZD3 app, and we have this. Okay, so QR code, and we have the brightness screen display. Okay, on the left side we have the split screen menu. Okay, so it shows the recently accessed applications. On the other side we have the shortcut to the different features and function in the smartwatch. Okay, so you can add one. Okay, so we have this music on back. On the bottom part we have, okay, so we have here the different menus. Okay, I guess we have, let's just remove this one so you can see it clearly. Okay, so different menus here. Again, on the bottom part we have the WeChat message, phone book, call records. This one, I guess it's the activity tracking. We have the sports, we have the heart rate, you have the ECG, you have the blood pressure, you have the blood oxygen here, voice assistant, NFC. You also have a flashlight, music control, sleep monitoring. You have a stopwatch, weather, my QR code. You have Alipay, find phone, alarm clock, breathing. You also have a calculator here. We have drainage function, emergency call. What is this thing? Okay, so the same with other ZD3 smartwatches, you can add additional applications. We have the menu style. Okay, so let's switch to other menu here. Okay, so we have the different menus here. As you can see, beautiful looking menu. Okay, so let's access that again. So we have a rotation here. This one, we have sports. Okay, so I like this one better. Okay, much better than the list one. I think the list menu don't work well on circular display, so this one is much better. Okay, on the settings we have the language support, dial switch. How many watch faces do we have? Okay, so we have a lot of cool looking watch faces here, from digital to analog watch faces. Let's stop on this one. Okay, let's go back to the settings. Okay, we have vibration intensity, power saving mode, we have mode selection, ringtone settings, so you can set your own ringtone for messages as well as the Bluetooth call. We have the time, Okay, so you can change it to 12 or 24-hour format time, which I think this is one of the main problem for other applications. They don't have an option for that. Okay, we have factory reset, software version, and option to shut down your smartwatch. Okay, for the sports, again, you can access the sports by pressing this one. Okay, so we have here a different kind of sports categorized into different categories here. So this one, yeah, I guess this is the maybe an indoor something workout. So this one, so it's all about running and walking. How about this one? So this is about riding. So we have cycling here, skateboarding. I guess this one is weightlifting. Okay, as you can see here, where's that weightlifting or exercise? So we have it here. Okay, dancing. So this one somewhat like a wrestling. We do have here boxing and karate. Okay, what else? Skiing. So it has a very comprehensive list of sports. I guess it is more than 150 sports function. Okay, so we also have here, okay, that is a, I think this one supports an always on display screen. Okay, heart rate. We do also have a Bluetooth call. We also have a blood pressure. Okay, let's select the blood pressure. Okay, where's the blood pressure? Okay, so this is a blood pressure monitoring. Okay, so it is a real, okay, sensor here. As you can see, it is looking for your wrist or skin. Please close the skin test, as you can see here. Okay, so it has a lot of features, a Bluetooth call, an option to download apps, okay, notifications, and it has a lot of, or it got the basic for health. Okay, for the sports, 150 plus sports functions available in the ZD3 plus smartwatch. Okay, so it's a beautiful looking smartwatch, premium looking smartwatch. So if you are looking for a sports smartwatch with a premium look, I guess the ZD3 plus do have, okay, the features for this. And it is using the ZD3 Support App, which is a very good support app, very stable, and it has a lot of options compared to other, okay, support app. So if you have any questions regarding the ZD3 Plus smartwatch, again, this is a first look on its menus and features. Just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.